Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. So before we go into this song, I hope you have subscribed, and if you hadn't yet, I will really come after you, I will haunt you, and I will, no, I'm just kidding, but why not just take a second and click that subscribe button there, and you will get greatest songs ever, all kinds of genres, and songs like this one. Loveless, I hope I'm not sick. Alright, so yes, thank you for subscribing to this channel. Now let's dive into this I hope I'm not sick. This one is a great rock song here. We have 4 chords that goes in the same way through the entire song. I'm gonna give you 2 ways of handling the chords, but yeah, let's dive into this nice song. No need for any cape on this one. Alright, so we're going clean there and we'll look at the chords. It's the famous 4 guys, so very nice chords and great to learn. So G, D, E minor, C, that's what we're gonna look at. First, the G. That is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. The next is the D. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. E minor next, so that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And the final chord is the C, so that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And there you have the chord, guys, and also the order the chords comes in through the entire song: G, D, E minor, and C. All right, so let's take a look at the 2 ways of handling these chords. We'll start with the hardest, of course, because yeah, once you learn this, the second one will be very, very easy. So let's take a look at this one, and this is more like the rhythm in the song. It gives you more the rhythm for it, and it's a huge part of the song goes in this way. All right, so I'm gonna play 1 chord progression for you first and then explain how it's done. So let's look at the first thing here. Alright, so basically what this is a strumming pattern that covers 2 chords. So we will look at the transition here from the first 2 chords, the G to the D. So you start with the G there, we'll call that part 1. So it will play like this. Alright, so that is down, then down, up, down, and then down. So the first is down, down, up, down, down. So you have a short pause there after the down, up, down, and then the final down. Between there is a short pause. So it starts with down, down, up, down, and then short pause, and then down. So basically like this. Right? And then you go to the next chord, the part 2, and play the D now. And you're gonna play this. So it's 4 downs basically, but we have a certain rhythm here. It's the first 2 downs of these 4 will be played fast. So then a short pause, and then comes 1 down. And a short pause again, and then comes the final down. And that's the part 2. So G to D will sound like this. Slow it down, and with standard tempo, something like this. And then you just apply the same to the transition between E minor and C. So E minor part 1 in the same way as G, and C part 2 in the same way as the D. So the E minor to C will sound. And a couple of rounds with this strumming pattern will be. Now, just the final easy strumming pattern left there. You can switch it up to this one, and it's just 4 downs, which is 1 strumming around. And you will play 2 strumming rounds per chord, so that means in total of 8 downs per chord. So you're gonna play like this. So 1 strumming round was, like I said, 4 downs, and I like to play like this, which means when I strum here, I strum on the first 2 downs more on the bass strings. Then the 3rd down, I go down to the higher top notes. And then on the 4th and final, I go back to the bass strings. So that's 1 strumming around. So bass, bass, top, bass. So that is 1 round, and like I said, 2 strumming rounds per chord. So and there, guys, you have the Loveless I Hope I'm Not Sick. So yep. Thank you for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this. And now, since you have subscribed to the channel, why not thumb up and yeah, give me a like on this tutorial. So thank you for all the support, guys. Really love and appreciate you. So play tuned.